Alright, the first step to check China's national debt online.
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more. Create content effortlessly. Click the link down below and enjoy the tutorial.
We have a couple of different websites. China's national debt government. This is the CEIC data. And this will basically show you the national government debt of China from the years 2005 to 2023. This is more of an extensive website. We have a chart right here that goes from the max all the way from 2012 to 2023. As you can see, the debt has slowly been rising gradually. And you can even see the total debt right here. The frequency, they have different, data points and entries. And you can even check the different debt of different countries. Right here, national government debt by country comparison. But if you want more extensive data, you can scroll down and you can even get specific data about their accounts or their credit. They have secondary income, primary income of this country. The second website is countryeconomy.com. Also, more of an in-depth, but it's more simplified. This dates back to the 1990 all the way up until, say, COVID or 2020, 2022. And we have a list that goes all the way back to 1984. The third website is usdebtclock.org. As you can see, China's right here. It's underneath USA and above Japan. And China ranks second because they have $14 trillion, $689 billion. And it even shows their population, their public debt to GDP ratio, etc. completely for free.